It's hard to say goodbye, especially when it was sudden and unexpected. So as hard as this video was to make, Hamish was such a large part of Mikey's channel, it just had to be done. He was loved by everyone, and he loved everyone in return. All of his four-legged friends are missing him. He played and looked after them all. Size difference never seemed to be a barrier. His patience with the little ones was amazing. Although all of us are missing him dearly, we have to be grateful for the joy that he brought. Not only to us, but to all the visitors, followers, and subscribers of Mikey's channel. And especially the joy he brought to Mikey. But for most of all, for James and I, it's such a big void. Rest in peace, Hamish. We miss you.